welcome to King's channel. Today we're gonna bake some cookies.
Okay.
And so, here's the part. So how do you take it off?
What kind of cookies?
It's chocolate cookies.
Chocolate chip cookies.
Chocolate chip cookies.
Tell all your friends what you need. What they're gonna need.
You'll need to open it like
Now tell them all the supplies they're gonna need.
so. First you're gonna need your pad.
Okay.
And first you need the cutting board. First you need the cookie pan.
Alright.
And then first you need the cookie jar.
Alright.
You can call it cookie jar.
Okay. Can you clean your hands?
First you need soap. Oh, that was hard. First you need soap
Hand sanitizer.
and hand sanitizer. And you wash your hands really fast. Just like it sounds.
Okay. All done?
Yep, all done. And then you have to open this. Oh, look, really
Yummy.
yummy, but that's not focusing. First, we're going to open it. Did I open it wrong?
No, you did it.
And first, you're going to put it on the pan.
Okay.
Stick on it. A stick. My kids know how to do this.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so what you gonna do? Need to use that
Yeah. What?
to cut some dough.
Well, I rolled this into a tiny.
No, we don't want tiny cookies. We want a good big cookie, right?
Yeah. Wait. What happens if we put in the other?
Here you go. Roll that dough up right there. You gotta show your friends what you do.
And we're gonna roll this cookie up and put it on a square, and the pan on a square, and the cookie pan is gonna stay under the square cookie thing. The cookie.
Okay, is that ball finished? Then you put it on the pan. Show them the
It's
ball.
so big.
Show them the ball.
And this is the ball. It actually looks like a circle a little bit.
Yep. Put it inside the square.
Yep.
Space it out inside the square. Space it out. Space it out. Space out.
Oh, yeah, you space it out.
Alright, the next one. Roll it up.
Oh, that's so big.
Then you gotta roll it.
And goes
We
in.
want big cookies, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna roll it.
Wait, if we get a little one, then we get
Nice size. And then you wanna put it in your pan. Okay. This one might be a little big. Here you go. Roll it.
wait, is this dough?
Yep, it's dough. Cookie dough. What kind? It's our favorite. What kind is it?
It's cookie dough. Wait,
you're not lying. You're telling the truth.
Yeah, I'm telling the truth. Also, let's not talk about that. Let's make our cookies first. Oh, mine
So who
looks
likes chocolate chip cookies? Who else likes chocolate chip cookies?
maybe Kyle, because Kyle is so far away from us. Guys, Kyle's house is not far away from us. We can give her a cookie if she wants a cookie.
Who is that? Is that your girlfriend?
No, it's not my girlfriend.
But Santa likes chocolate chip cookies too, right?
You know, yeah, he did. You know, Santa likes chocolate cookies. It looks
Show them your balls.
I showed it.
See every step of the way from start to finish.
And you keep doing it. You keep rolling the dough up and put it on every square. And you can make the dough.
Alright, so yours is filled up.
Yeah, mine is filled up fast. So guys, this is how you do it.
Stand up.
This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need 8 cookies. You don't need too much. This needs 8 cookies. Not too much. This needs 8.
Let me see 8. Show me 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is what it looks like. 8 cookies. And we're gonna put them in the oven.
I don't want my baking hat to get dirty. It might get dirty now. Alright, so you have to have this shirt right here. So you can't get your clothes dirty or it'll be messed up. You gotta put it in the washer.
And you want a grown up to put this in the oven, right?
Yeah. So you need a grown up to put this in the oven. So you can't burn yourself.
Good job.
If you burn yourself, you're gonna cry.
Yeah.
Like a crybaby. I'm not talking about that. That's mean, right?
Okay. All right.
Alright, it's on.
What are you doing?
It's on 15.
What are you doing?
We're setting the timer up.
Let me see. How many minutes is that?
I don't know.
15.
15
15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Okay.
So it's 15 minutes.
All right.
Wait, next time, see this video, subscribe today, and hit that like button.
That's right. Tell them to hit that like button and subscribe today.
And hit that bell.
it good?
It tastes like chocolate bar.
Okay, it tastes like chocolate. So, all right, you're gonna put the rest of the cookies in the cookie jar and save it for later.